fly!
Welcome back, champ. Last time, we learned how motors make robots move. But what if your robot needs to move precisely, like stopping at exactly 90 degrees? Today, we're unlocking the power of servo motors.
A servo motor is like a robot's wrist joint. It can twist to an exact position and hold it steady. Unlike regular motors that just spin, servos stop exactly where you want them to.
So, why are servos important?
Because sometimes a robot needs to be precise. Servos are used for steering, lifting to exact heights, drawing perfect shapes, aiming and pointing. Every movement is spot on.
What are the common uses of servos?
You'll find servos inside. Robot arms, RC cars, camera gimbals, animatronic faces, 3D printers, even in your game controllers.
When were servos invented?
Servos have been helping machines since the 1960s in factories, airplanes, and later in robots. Over time, they've shrunk so small that even kids can use them in school projects.
Who uses servos today?
Engineers, animators, hobbyists, and students like you. From making movie robots blink to helping robots pour tea, servos are in the hands of every creator who wants controlled motion.
So, champ, next time you see a robot arm stop perfectly or a camera stay rock steady, remember, there's a servo motor making it happen. Got questions about servos? Drop them in the comments below. Keep watching us. We'll be back with a new topic. Until then, keep creating, exploring, and coding your robotic dreams.